Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the MageGee 75 mechanical gaming keyboard. This is a budget-friendly option that offers a lot of value for the price. I'll be going over the features, pros and cons, and alternatives in this video. So if you're interested in learning more about this keyboard, then stick around. First, let's talk about the design and build quality of this keyboard. The MageGee mechanical gaming keyboard is a compact keyboard that's perfect for gamers who want to save space or prefer a minimalist setup. It features a sturdy metal base, giving it a solid and durable feel. The keycaps are double-shot molded, ensuring that the characters won't fade over time. And let's not forget about the vibrant RGB lighting, which adds a touch of personalization to your gaming setup. The MageGee gaming keyboard features a 75 layout, which means it's compact and portable, but still has all the keys you need for gaming and productivity. The keyboard is available with either blue or red switches, so you can choose the one that feels best to you. One of the standout features of the MageGee gaming keyboard is its customizable RGB lighting. With multiple lighting modes and the ability to adjust the brightness and speed, users can create a unique aesthetic that suits their preferences. The keyboard also has a charming solid-color white LED backlight, which can be customized to create different light effects. This is a great feature for gamers who want to create a personalized gaming environment, or for people who want to add a touch of style to their workspace. The MageGee gaming keyboard has a full anti-ghosting keyboard, which means that you can press multiple keys at the same time without any of them being registered as missed. This is a great feature for gamers who need to be able to make quick and accurate keystrokes. This gaming keyboard is an ergonomic keyboard, which means that it is designed to be comfortable to use for long periods of time. The keyboard has a wrist rest and adjustable feet, so you can find the perfect typing position. The MageGee keyboard is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Windows, Linux, and Mac. It is also plug and play, so you can start using it right away without having to install any drivers. The MageGee 75 mechanical gaming keyboard has a solid build quality and feels sturdy. The keycaps are made of double-shot ABS plastic, which is durable and resistant to fading. The keyboard also has a full RGB backlight, with 19 different modes to choose from. The keyboard is plug and play, meaning it doesn't require any additional software to function. However, this also means that it lacks the ability to program macros, which could be a downside for some gamers. Considering its build quality, performance, and features, the MageGee 75 mechanical gaming keyboard offers excellent value for its price. It's an affordable entry point into the world of mechanical keyboards, making it a great choice for gamers on a budget or those new to mechanical keyboards. Here are some alternatives to the MageGee 75 mechanical gaming keyboard. Number 1. Keychron K12. Number 2. Epomaker GK84. Number 3. Royal Kludge RK84. Number 4. GMMK Pro. Number 5. Keychron Q1. These keyboards are all a bit more expensive than the MageGee 75 mechanical gaming keyboard, but they offer more features and customization options. Thanks for watching this review of the MageGee